We are tracking the vaccine, and the Oregon Health Authority reports that roughly a quarter of the new COVID cases last week were in those already vaccinated. Just today, the FDA authorized Moderna and Pfizer booster shots for all U.S. adults. So we wanted to know if booster doses will help lower the number of vaccinated people getting infected. Fox 12's Mia Villanueva spoke to a local professor who tells us how he believes boosters will impact COVID-19 case numbers.
Professor Ken Stedman at Portland State University believes booster shots will help lower the number of vaccinated people testing positive by a little bit, but not by that much. But he says that's not why vaccines were created to begin with. He says vaccines are meant to protect people against the COVID-19 disease itself, but not against contracting the virus. Now that the FDA has authorized Moderna and Pfizer booster shots for all U.S. adults, Professor Ken Stedman with Portland State University is weighing in on what booster shots will mean in Oregon's fight against COVID-19.
Having a third shot brings those antibodies levels back up in the short term, but it also really helps with your memory. And the key for a vaccine for it to work is not that you have antibodies right now for protection. It's that when your body gets exposed to the virus again, then your body remembers.
Data from Oregon Health Authority shows that between November 7th and 13th, just over 1,500 of the nearly 6,000 reported COVID cases occurred in people who were vaccinated. Stedman says the number of vaccinated people getting infected doesn't speak to the efficacy of the vaccine, as it was not designed to prevent infection, but rather to lower the amount of the SARS-CoV-2 virus that infects your body and leads to the COVID-19 disease itself.
You could be infected by the virus and get a little bit of the virus being produced, but not so much that it overwhelms your defenses and you start to get disease.
Stedman believes booster shots will lower the amount of vaccinated people testing positive by a little, but says the true indicator of its success will be measured elsewhere.
My hope is that the booster shots, the third shots, are really going to help with those hospital numbers, and that's what we really hear about.
Professor Stedman says vaccinations alone won't end the pandemic. He says it's going to take continual mask wearing, social distancing, and testing. Reporting from Northwest Portland, I'm Mia Villanueva, Fox 12 Oregon.